It's been one of them crazy days, crazy weeks. It's literally rained almost every day. Today is Thursday, and I've been hopping and skipping around mowing what I can. There's just so many properties that are just way too wet. I can't mow them. And it's hot today. Well, not hot, but I mean, it's supposed to get up to like 70, I think. And the sun's been out shining bright all day, but it's it rained all night long. And I was able to mow some yesterday afternoon, or some during the day yesterday, but I had to stop at like 3 o'clock. If you watch yesterday's video, because it started pouring rain on me, and it only got worse from there. So, and then it was heavy thunder and lightning all night and raining all night, so we got another inch of rain. So it's just really hard for these lawns to dry out to the point where I can mow them without marking them all up. So hopping and skipping around. This one you guys have seen before, but we're gonna film it anyway, because I don't know how much more I can film today. Okay, I just got done with that one. And that one over there. And that one right there. All three of them bagged with the walker. Only one of them needed it. That one over there, that's a new one. These two over here, I've been mowing and plowing them for years, but that's a new one over there. So nice easy one, but it was pretty tall. So it definitely, temperature has dropped. The sun went away and it's definitely gotten a lot cooler. We'll see how much more I can get done. It's probably gonna start raining on me again. For all of you that were hating on the quick shoot for the right, guess what? See this girl here? That's coming off because I have a chute blocker for that mower. Now, it's called powerschutedesign.com, and I got it off a guy on the Walker mower forum. I won't give you his address, but it is, if you can read that, probably not, Harrell Lawn Care Services, and I think his name was Troy Harrell. I don't know if I screwed it up, sorry buddy. But anyway, he bought this and decided he didn't want it, and so I bought it off him, and he shipped it to me. And this chute blocker goes on here, but it's electronic, so you got to hook it up to 12-volt power, no big deal, run to the battery, and then the toggle switch goes right here, I believe, and you just flip the switch to make the chute blocker go up and down. Or I believe that came with the option of a foot pedal, but this one here has the toggle switch, as far as I know. I'm pretty sure if I understood him correctly, so we're gonna put that on there. Real quick, somebody mentioned on one of my videos I just made recently and said, you know, if you change your music to better music, you could have a lot more subscribers. They must be new. If I was on a big quest to have 1 million subscribers, I could almost double my subscribers right now, like overnight, because my blocked list is almost as long as my subscriber list, and that's no shit. Okay, so there it is. I didn't film putting it on. The instructions really aren't that great. You guys know the deal with instructions. You know, I complain about them all the time, except for the few good products that I've gotten with good ones. But anyway, it's on. So there's the motor, and I wrapped the wiring. I followed it up the frame, left myself some slack here, so when I lower the deck up and down, it doesn't tug on it, and that just kind of sits there. I end up putting the toggle right there. So instead of on here, I put it right there, and all you do is you flick it. All right, it's up. Hold on. And it's down, and see it's kind of loose there, but you just back a little bit on the toggle and it holds it tight. Now it's tight there. But here's the cool thing about this. I could just tap it and bring it up to that. I could tap it, bring it up a little more. I mean, it's fast and it's sensitive, so you gotta, you know, you gotta kind of finagle with it. But I could do like midway, and you can't do that with that quick shoot. I mean, you can leave it open a little bit like I showed you guys. I know this is loud. You can leave it a little bit like I showed you guys, but you can't go like midway. Like I can have it there, which is about where the quick shoot is, and then I can go right there, so it still sprays it out, but not, you know. And I can probably get it to stop a little bit lower than that, but it'll take some finagling. But anyway, so it's made by Power Chute. That's who makes it. I don't know they're specifically made for Walker. I would say no. A lot of people have commented, since I mentioned I'm going to put it on there. People have commented that they've contacted Walker and they can't get it. This exact one here is for Exmark, Toro, Hustler, VX4, Bobcat, Walker, and Ventrac. This specific one. So, let me see if I can get a model number for you guys on this one. I got shipping labels and everything else. I don't see a model number anywhere, unless nope, I don't know. 319-4091. That's about the best I can come up with. That might be the model number. I'm not real specific. I don't really see anything on here. It actually, it's funny because it says, it has a thing here, motors can be purchased from us online or from Napa, O'Reilly, AutoZone, or Advance. So you can replace that motor if you need to, and it can be purchased from any one of them. But anyway, so all I did here, I'll show you guys, is you just put this flat part up against the back of the deck and you drill 2 holes. One there and the other one's right there. And that's it. You just drill them holes right through the side and you bolt it on, and that's it. So, I mean, nice and simple, right? And then you just run your wiring up. I ran it, and it has an inline fuse in it already in the harness. I wired it in the battery, and I put the toggle right there. So nice and simple and easy to get to, and I think this can be pretty sweet. So we'll find out tomorrow. I plan on mowing all day tomorrow unless weather comes after me again. We'll see what happens, but otherwise that's the plan, to mow tomorrow, and I'm gonna mow with this. Oh, some people ask me, I'm up to 140.8 hours. That's how many, that's what's on this. So 140.8.